ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन मराठीमध्ये आपलं सगळ्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी बँकिंग आणि फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूशनचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ आपल्याबरोबर शेअर केले आहेत. हे MCQ आपल्याला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये नक्की उपयोगाला पडतील. सो डू वॉच इट. आजचा लेक्चर सुरू करण्याआधी मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छिते की ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटीने आपल्यासाठी कॉमर्स फुल सिलेबस कोर्स आणला आहे, ज्याच्यात आपल्याला 25 मॉक टेस्ट भेटतील, प्रीवियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर टेस्ट विथ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन भेटतील, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट, फुल युनिट नोट्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोन्ही लँग्वेजमध्ये भेटतील, 200+ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश असं दोन लँग्वेजचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण भेटेल. टू जॉइन डाउनलोड अवर ॲप ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटी और कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन बिलो गिवन नंबर. चला तर मग आजच्या लेक्चरला सुरुवात करू. द मार्केट फॉर एक्स्ट्रीमली शॉर्ट पिरियड लोन इज कॉल्ड. म्हणजेच अत्यंत अल्प कालावधीच्या कर्जासाठी बाजारपेठ असे म्हणतात. आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत कॉल मनी मार्केट, मनी ॲट शॉर्ट नोटीस, टी बिल मार्केट आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे G-Sec मार्केट. इथे या प्रश्नाचं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर ए. द मार्केट फॉर एक्स्ट्रीमली शॉर्ट पिरियड लोन इज कॉल्ड कॉल मनी मार्केट. आता इथे कॉल मनी मार्केट म्हणजे काय, तर कॉल मनी इज अ मिनिमम शॉर्ट टर्म फायनान्स repayable on demand with a maturity period of 1 to 14 days or overnight to fortnight. It is a use for interbank transaction. The money that is lent to one day in this market is known as call money, and if it exit one day, it referred to as notice money. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे निवासाची बिले यांना कोणती बिले म्हणूनही ओळखली जातात. आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत पतंग बिले, वाऱ्याची बिले, पुरवठा बिले आणि ऑप्शन डी आहे अ आणि ब दोन्हीही. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Accommodation bill are also known as wind bills. A bill of exchange signed by a person who act as a guarantor. The accommodation party is liable for the bill should be the acceptor fail to pay at maturity. Accommodation bill are sometimes known as wind bill or wind bill. The next question is, what are the short-term deposits of specific maturity similar to fixed deposits? And the options are commercial paper, interbank participation certificate, third option is repo, and last option is certificate of deposit. Here the correct answer will be option number D. Certificate of deposit are a short-term deposits of specific maturity similar to fixed deposits. Now what is certificate of deposit? Here the certificate of deposit is a saving account that hold a fixed amount of money for a fixed period of a time, such as a 6 month, 1 year or a 5 years. And in exchange, the issuing bank pay interest. When you cash in or redeem your CD, you receive the money you originally invested plus any interest. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे डिस्काउंट आणि फायनान्स हाऊस ऑफ इंडियाची स्थापना कधी झाली. आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत 1982, 1988, 1992 and लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे 1969. Here the correct answer for this question is option number B. Discount and Finance House of India was set up in 1988. This Discount and Finance House of India Limited means the DFHI was set up in March 1988 by the Reserve Bank of India jointly with public sector banks and All India Financial Institute to develop the money market and to provide liquidity to money market instrument as a sequel to Wagul Working Group recommendations. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे व्यवस्थापन विकास संस्था याची स्थापना कोणी केली. आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत IDBI, ICICI, IFCI आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे SEBI. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Management Development Institute MDI was set up by IFCI. Now you have to know about the Management Development Institution. So, Management Development Institution (MDI) was set up as an autonomous body in 1973 in collaboration with KfW, West Germany, and with the active support of Industrial Finance Corporation of India, that is IFCI. The next question is, World Bank was set up in, and the options are 1945, 1946, 1947, and last option is 1948. This is the one of the most important and most common topic while we studying for the NET or the SET exam. Now the answer for this question will be option number A. The World Bank was set up in 1945. The bank founded in 1945 and currently comprises two institutions. The International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that is IBRD, aimed at reducing poverty in middle income and credit-worthy countries, and International Development Association, that is IDA, that focuses exclusively on the world's poorest countries. What do you mean by STRIPS? And the options are Separate Trade Register of Initial Public Securities Offer. Option second is Stock Trading Register of Interest and Principal Securities. Third option is Separate Trading of Registered Interest and Principal of Securities. And last option is Share Transfer and Registrar of Indian Public Securities Issues. The correct answer of this question will be option number C. STRIPS is the separate trading of registered interest and principal of securities or a debt security that are created through the process of coupon stripping. They are essentially trading traditional treasury bond except that the bond's principal has been separated, stripped from its interest, that is coupon. इथे या क्वेश्चन मध्ये लिस्ट 1 आणि लिस्ट 2 दिली आहेत. लिस्ट 1 मध्ये डिफरंट बँकेची नावे दिली आहेत आणि लिस्ट 2 मध्ये त्यांची इयर्स दिली आहेत जी आपल्याला मॅच करायची आहेत. लिस्ट 1 मध्ये आहे आरबीआय नॅशनलायझेशन, सेकंड आहे इम्पेरिकल बँक नॅशनलायझेशन, थर्ड आहे नॅशनलायझेशन 14 कमर्शियल बँक्स आणि चौथा आहे एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट ऑफ आयडीबीआय. आणि लिस्ट 2 मध्ये आहे 1964, 1949, 1955 and 1969. इथे या प्रश्नाचा करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर डी. The Reserve Bank of India was nationalized with effect from 1st January 1949 on the basis of Reserve Bank of India Act 1948. Then is the Imperial Bank of India, that is IBI, was one of the oldest and the largest commercial bank of Indian subcontinent and was subsequently transformed into State Bank of India in 1955. Then is the third option is the nationalization of 14 commercial banks. The government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi issued an ordinance of nationalize 14 largest commercial banks in India with the effect from 19 July 1969 under the regulatory authority of Reserve Bank of India. आणि लास्ट आहे establishment of IDBI. Industrial Development Bank of India was established in 1964 by an act to provide credit and other financial facilities for the development of flourishing Indian industry. It is a development finance institute and wholly owned subsidiary of Life Insurance Corporation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे भारतात म्युच्युअल फंडच्या निधीचा प्रत्यक्ष व्यवहार करणाऱ्या कंपनीला काय म्हणतात? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत प्रायोजक कंपनी, सेकंड ऑप्शन आहे विश्वस्त कंपनी, थर्ड ऑप्शन आहे मालमत्ता व्यवस्थापन कंपनी आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे म्युच्युअल फंड कंपनी. Here the correct answer for this question is option number C. In India, the company which actually deal with the corpus of mutual fund is called asset management company. Asset management refers to the systematic approach to the governance and realization of value from the things that a group or entity is responsible for over their whole life cycle. It may apply both to tangible assets and to intangible assets. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे खालीलपैकी कोणती क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजन्सी नाही आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत क्रिसिल, ICRA, DCR India and none of this. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number D, none of this. Now here the CRISIL is an Indian analytical company providing rating, research and risk and policy advisory services, and it is a subsidiary of American company S&P Global. Then is a ICRA. ICRA Limited is an Indian independent and professional investment information and credit rating agency which was established in 1991 and was originally named Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India Limited. Then is the DCR India, that is Development Control Regulation in India. It is a mechanism that controls the development and use of a land. This involves the construction of new building, the extension of existing one, and the change of use of building and land to another use. Here the next question is, what is the process of converting security in electronic form into physical form? And the options are rematerialization, dematerialization, demutualization, and last option is mutualization. Here the correct answer for this question is option number A. Rematerialization is a process of converting security in electronic form into physical form. Rematerialization is a process of converting security that are in a digital format into physical certificate. Any investor who has converted this security into electronic format stored in Demat account can obtain from the rematerialization process. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे भारताचा कृषी विमाकर्ता आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत नाबार्ड, GIC, किसान विमा संस्था आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे AIC. या प्रश्नाचा करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर D, AIC. AIC of India Limited, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited, was incorporated under the Indian Company Act 1956 on 20th December 2002 with the authorized share capital of Indian rupees 15 billion and paid up capital of Indian rupees 2 billion. AIC commenced business from 1st April 2003. स्वातंत्र्यानंतर इम्पेरियल बँक ऑफ इंडियाचे राष्ट्रीयकरण झाले आणि म्हणून ओळखले जाऊ लागले आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत रिझर्व्ह बँक ऑफ इंडिया, स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, पंजाब नॅशनल बँक आणि सेंट्रल बँक ऑफ इंडिया. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number B. After independence, the Imperial Bank of India was nationalized and became known as State Bank of India. The Imperial Bank of India (IBI) was one of the oldest and largest commercial bank of Indian subcontinent and was subsequently transformed into State Bank of India in 1955. Bank shows provision for income tax under the head, and the options are contingent liability, other liability and provisions, contingent account, and other accounts. Here the correct answer for this question is option number B. Bank shows provision of income tax under the head other liability and provisions. The provision for income tax on income statement is the amount of income taxes a company estimated it will pay in a given year. In the balance sheet of bank, it shows under the head other liability and provision. Discount and Finance House of India was set up in pursuance of recommendation of which committee? म्हणजेच डिस्काउंट आणि फायनान्स हाऊस ऑफ इंडियाची स्थापना कोणत्या समितीच्या शिफारशीच्या अनुषंगाने करण्यात आली आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत मालेगाम, मल्होत्रा, वाघुल आणि नरसिंहम. To answer this question, you have to understand Discount and Finance House of India. Here the answer for this question will be option number C. Discount and Finance House of India was set up in pursuance of recommendation of Waghul Committee. The Discount and Finance House of India was set up in year 1988. The pursuant to the Vagul Working Group recommendation for setting up the institution to provide enhanced liquidity to money market instrument, the RBI set up the Discount and Finance House of India jointly with Public Sector Bank and All India Financial Institutions.